Getting dressed in the morning belongs to one of my most intuitive tasks of the day. It is a moment of empowerment and self-care. However, the struggle with the zipper of my dress can be very exhausting, sometimes leading to a very stressful start of the day. I needed a change, and this change was Cliff. It is made of powerful mechanics that easily slide up and down the slide fastener, zipping and unzipping my clothes effortlessly. With Cliff, all of my time-consuming struggles and fights with zippers have finally gone. Getting dressed has never before been this easy and empowering. This feeling is Cliff.
Nature is full of energy we're not aware of. Implementing natural processes in our systems can create a whole new sustainable energy system. Microbial fuel cells are one of the renewable energy alternatives that generate electricity through the breakdown of organic matter. Plants, for example, use sunlight to photosynthesize, thus producing organic compounds. In the soil, naturally occurring bacteria break down the organic compounds and release electrons and protons. It works like a regular battery. It has an anode and a cathode compartment. The anode is made of a carbon electrode and captures the electrons. These electrons will be transferred via a wire to the cathode. The flow of electrons through the wire enables to harvest this energy as electricity. The electrons flow through the electrical circuit and come back into the natural system, thus closing the cycle. What if we implement this natural energy into our system? Nature and technology will merge. Imagine how we would take care of our lamps if they were actually alive. Light will change from something artificial into something personal. This living light will light up by a touch. When it receives your love, it will give you its energy back.